Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Open and Shut. Today we'll discuss the vital role we play in the life of our kids in terms of education. Before anything, kindly wash out from your minds the fact that only a good school, a good teacher or a good tuition teacher or good mugging up can make your child strong at English language. Yes, they do somehow, but we play more important role than all of these.
Come on.
Before anything, let's understand what does the correct English for a child mean. Tell me, how many times were we asked about the type of noun we used in our sentences? What impressed us in someone's English is vocabulary, pronunciation, fluency, accent, confidence and basic grammar, right? Schools will definitely not teach all of these. They are bound to complete the prescribed NCERT syllabus, isn't it? So, we are the ones who have to teach them this. We'll cover all the topics one by one, so keep watching till the end. And I'm your guide, Subita. So, let's talk about the grammar part first. Always focus on comprehension part. Comprehension, or known as unseen passages, will surely improve your child's comprehending skills. It will improve framing of sentences and your child's reading skills. At the very outset, it will definitely take a lot to make them do comprehension passages and poetries. But once they master it, you'll never have to bother to make them mug up the textual answers for any exam. Trust me, 2 weeks before any exam are enough to let them mug up the answers. They don't actually need most of the grammar things or most of the textual things practically, except in their exams. Let me tell you, just suppose if I don't use any adjectives while writing a story, but I know all the types of adjectives, will it be of any use? Will you give me full marks? What they really need is knowledge of verb forms, articles, correct use of prepositions and connectors. But you can easily include it in spoken or vocab section, which we are going to discuss it later in the same video. The second important thing they need is writing section, practice of writing section. This part plays the most important role in English language paper. It contains the maximum marks, but it is the same where students lose maximum marks. One of the next videos will be on how to improve your child's writing skills. So, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification on time. Writing section needs to be focused at least twice a week. Next important topic you must make them practice is sentence framing, or you can say formation of sentence. It helps in all the 4 sections of English language paper. Now, observe them all together. Yes, you got it right. They are all interconnected. As you master one topic, you automatically master another 2 topics, which will help you lifelong. Apart from this, make your child focus on more and more new words, and along with that, spellings and pronunciation of the same words. A good vocabulary helps understanding comprehension passages, helps writing better stories or letters, helps write answers. Let's say your child learns 2 new words, icon and bat. You have to again and again say an icon or bat, an icon or a bat, both the icon and the bat. Bat on the dress, icon in the computer. Can you observe? We have taught them preposition, connector, articles all together without telling them they are learning grammatical topics. The last point is spoken English. Make your child speak more and more in English language. But you must ensure they start with small sentences and do not focus on grammar part. Focus whether they are using the new vocab they have learnt or not. If your child practices these 5 topics on daily or weekly basis, I promise you, he'll or she'll be never dependent on any word to guide them score good. If your child is under 10, you still have a golden opportunity to make their English strong. So keep working on it. All the best. Also, let me know in the comment section if you need more guidance in how to practice comprehension passages. Till then, take care. Bye bye.